7014, read back traffic. 7014, frequency change approved, call me number 1 short of the runway.
Hello, Anchorage Center, this is Alaska 100, requesting IFR clearance to Vancouver International, stand Bravo 4.
Alaska 100, Anchorage Center, hello, clear to Vancouver Airport, Anchorage 7 departure, radar vectors, Anchorage, then as filed, maintain 4000, departure with me, squawk 2215.
Anchorage 9 departure, squawk 2215, climb to 4000, radar vectors, Alaska 100.
Alaska 100, read back track, call me for taxi. Number 9 for Echo, cross runway 25 right at Romeo, left turn on runway 7 right, right Foxtrot to the ramp.
Cross runway 25 right and make what on 7 left?
Make a left turn on runway 7 right, right turn Foxtrot to the ramp.
Left turn 7 right, then Foxtrot to the ramp.
Pilot Club 810, descend and maintain 3000.
Descend and maintain 3000, Pilot Club 810.
Pilot Club 7 Romeo Papa, turn measuring 330, descend and maintain 8000.
330 at 8000, Pilot Club 7 Romeo Papa.
Cathay 1979, runway 15, cleared to land.
Cleared land, 15, 929.
Alaska 7014, Anchorage, hello, release for departure, clearance void in 5 minutes, if not airborne in 5 minutes, advising changes to frequency no later than 1 minute, frequency change to advisory approved. Pilot Club 810, turn left, heading 230.
Left turn 230, Pilot Club 810.
Pilot Club 6, descend and maintain 3000.
3000, Pilot Club 6.
Center Alaska 7005, Alaska 7005, descend at pilot discretion, maintain for level 240.
Pilot discretion, descent level 240, Alaska 7005.
Center Delta 26, we're ready to taxi, active runway.
Number 420 Romeo Bravo radar contact, clear direct, uniquely comma maintain for level 300, stay altitude.
Center Delta 26, we're ready to taxi to the active runway.
Delta 1226, runway 25 left taxi via Kilo Charlie, hold short runway 25 right.
We'll be doing Kilo, Charlie will be holding short of 25 right, Charlie, Delta 1226.
Pilot Club 810, turn left heading 15, correction, turn left heading 180, join the localizer.
180, join the localizer, Pilot Club 810.
Pilot Club 6, turn left heading 230, back to the final.
Left 230, Pilot Club 6.
Pilot Club 7, Romeo Papa, descend and maintain 3000.
3000, Pilot Club 7 Romeo Papa.
Alaska, Anchorage Center, is push and start a pilot discussion?
Affirmative. Alaska 7014, roger, I'll give you a call once you get your own radar. It's going to be a little bit with the altitude up there.
Waiting for the agency services tonight on that part, cool.
Have a nice day. Club A10 over, cars for ILS runway 15.
Clear ILS 15, Pilot Club 810.
Club 6, clear direct card, cross card at 3000, clear ILS runway 15.
Direct card at 3000, cleared ILS 15, Pilot Club 6.
Hello, Senator, this is Kathy, 1979, clearing runway 15 to the left via Lima.
Cathay 1979, welcome, Romeo to the ramp.
Put a Romeo to the ramp, 1979.
Club A10, runway 15, clear to land.
Clear land, runway 15, Pilot Club 810.
And Center Delta 226, holding short of 25 right here on Charlie.
That's plus 26, cross runway 25 right at Charlie, 5 runway heading, runway 25 left, clip it off.
Crossing 25 right on Charlie, and clear for takeoff 25 left, right runway heading, Delta 1226.
Alaska 7014, I'm still not getting you on radar there. Climb and maintain level 230. In Alaska 7014, ident. Alaska 7014, got you now, climb and maintain flow level 410, clear direct to Anchorage Airport. Pop Club 7 Romeo Papa, turn left heading 230.
Left 230, Pop Club 7 Romeo Papa.
Pop Club 6, 5 miles in trail of A320, runway 15, clear to land.
15, clear to land, Pilot Club 6.
Delta 1226, radar contact, clear direct the Kenai via well, climb and maintain level 200, stay altitude.
Passing 2,200, and clear direct to DNI VOR, Delta 1226.
Pop Club 7 Romeo Papa, clear direct code, cross code at 3000, cleared ILS runway 15.
Credit 3000, cleared ILS 15 for Pop Club 7 Romeo Papa.
Charlie Alpha 225, Anchorage, hello, clear to the Vancouver Airport, Juno 6 departure. Better vectors, level island, and as filed, maintain 10,000, departure with mid, squawk 2261. Charlie Alpha 225, hit back crack, call me exactly.
Alaska 100, ready for taxi.
Alaska 100, you said you're ready to taxi?
Roger. Affirmative.
Alaska 100, runway 25 left, activate Kilo Charlie, hold short, runway 25 right.
Taxi via Kilo, charging hold short runway 25 right.
Pop Club 810, welcome to Juno, Romeo to the ramp. And sorry, welcome to Anchorage, I was all confused.
No problem. Anchorage, I'm sorry. Romeo to the ramp.
Alaska 7005, Roger, just gonna maintain 1000. Alaska 7075, sir, just gonna maintain 1000.
500. 100 above.
Charlie Alpha 225, that's how your discussion, call me for taxi.
Minimum.
Ending.
Park 7 Romeo Papa, runway 15, settle on.
100.
Clear land 15, Southwest 7 Romeo Papa.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10, retard.
Park 6, welcome to Anchorage, Romeo to the ramp.
Romeo to the ramp. Thanks for your help, Adam. Appreciate it. Club 6.
The local time
No
is 5:57 p.m. and it's currently about 61.
Giant 4546, I'll be closing up here shortly. Radar service 10 minutes, frequency change approved.
Until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign is turned off. Remember to use the
420 Romeo Bravo, radar service 10 minutes, frequency change approved.
flight. We thank you for flying with us.
And over traffic advisory for 420 Romeo Bravo. Thanks for service. See ya.
Alaska 7014, radar service 10 minutes, frequency change approved.